This is Arabic Easy for All A1.1 Arabic courses. Lesson 10, the present continuous tense. The present continuous describes activities happening now. Let's have examples. The present continuous in the positive. أنا أعمل. The present continuous in the negative. أنا لا أعمل. The present continuous with question words. ماذا أعمل? The present continuous with yes/no questions. هل تعمل؟ نعم أنا أعمل. لا أنا لا أعمل. In A1.1 Lesson 10, we learned about the present continuous tense. In Lesson 11, we will, inshallah, learn about I'm sitting on that train. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.